Brett for life. Shout out to Brett, great guy. Oh! Dude, look at the color of that water. 1-bedroom apartment, open floor plan. Look at this. Plenty of natural light. Dude, this place is great. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are back on the 72-volt Razor. Got a little group ride going with the boys here. I have made some minor modifications to this bike, which I shall show off next time we stop. Yeah, we're kind of exploring the city again. We found a couple of cool spots on Google Earth, so we're just gonna go see what those are about. Feels good to be back on this bike. It's been a little while since I've ridden it because I've had the Burrow Max running. All right, so here's what I've done. Surron seat on the bike. Nice and comfy. Obviously not a factory fit and finish, as you can tell by the panel gaps. I have a 3D printed seat mount on here, which is not super durable. I've already cracked it, but it's holding on fine. I also put a wind muff back on my mic. I don't know what happened to my other one. It fell off at some point while I was riding, so that's why the last couple of videos have been noisy. Hopefully this one is a little better at isolating just my voice. Where is he taking us? Here. Oh, that suspension is not bussing.
My straps are tight.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure.
Hang on. I think I see something here. Oh, we dug a hole. Look at that. Look at that, taking conference calls on the bike.
No, man,
he's all business.
Open business, man. Yeah, calls, emails out.
Yeah, little stuff like this is where I wish I had a softer front fork. On the Burrow Max, you just soak up all this stuff, but here you really feel it. Oh, this is all overgrown now. And he's cruising on that Specialized. That thing's quick now. He just delimited the bike. I don't know what his top speed is, but that thing is pretty quick. He riding no hands. Oh! That was it?
It might have been. I know it's up here somewhere on the left.
Yeah, we have to pass on like the left side of a little pond. This looks like it might be it. All right. Headed down this thing. This looks sketchy. Of course, the trail ends. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, this is sketch, dude. I don't think this is it. Hang on, let me check my map because I have the pin. I think it'll be alright. I say it doesn't look half bad, and then this is what we're riding through. Alright, a little bit of a clearing here. This might be okay. You guys good? This is like dense jungle. I feel like I'm in Vietnam right now. Ooh, sketchy steep section. Yeah, look at that drop off. Dude, look at the color of that water.
Oh my god, that is not natural.
That is so crazy. That's beautiful, man. Hold up, I gotta get a better view. Look at that, dude.
That is crazy.
We're like in Jurassic Park or something. I think we got off the trail too early.
I don't see this drainage thing you're talking about.
Here, let me see.
We have to go back on. We have to go back to the trail right here. That's where we come.
Back to the trail, and then right at this turn, that's where we take.
Where it goes straight.
Yeah.
See that right here? We have to take that and then go up, and then it's gonna be short. Go back.
Yeah, I don't. Who knows where this ends up? You know. All right, we're going back to the paved trail. We made a wrong turn back there, so we're gonna double back, and then there's a little ATV track that we need to take to get to where we're going. It's like this big abandoned drainage ditch type thing. Ooh, sketchy. Ooh, that's terrifying. Oh, that was thorny. Ow. Alright, we're out. That's a very steep hill climb, but the Razor is a monster. This is what we intended to take. This looks much smoother. There we go. Somewhere over here we're going to turn off and find a little drainage ditch. Alright, this is where we're going. Oh, there it is, the big drainage ditch. Oh, this is awesome. We got skaters out here. This is cool. Oh, there's a ramp up there. No way. Hey. What's going on? This is super cool. Oh, this is probably where that trail comes out.
You think?
I think so. This is super cool. Brett for life. Shout out to Brett, great guy. Let's check this out. Oh, you almost had that. Good luck, bro. The guy loved the bikes. I was telling him to check out the Facebook group.
Oh, do they also have bikes?
Is he down there? No, he was just asking about him. He's like, are those all electric?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Where does the beer go? He down there?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a fun little trail, man. Let's go in speed mode 3. Oh, it's nutty. It is absolute madness. This bike is way too fast for this type of stuff. Oh. This part of the trail is a little rougher.
Man, I really just need to get a second bike.
Yeah, you do.
Suspension.
Yeah.
One for the only the city, and then one for all of this.
There you go. Yeah. Later.
I still got full fucking battery.
Hit our little off-road track again. This is the one section where the trail kind of sucks. So we'll take this a little slower. Yeah, those are sweet. Yeah, this trail is so fast. Oh, he's absolutely cooking through here. Woo-hoo-hoo! What a legend. Whew. Dude, that's so fun. Oh, that was awesome.
You see the Coleman, the mini Coleman?
Yeah, yeah. That's what you want, huh? Those are cool, dude. I can't blow on that. I have a helmet on. Trying to blow a bug off me. I got a helmet on. What am I doing? Alright, yeah, we could cut. Oh, dude, there's another trail. Alright, I think this is the street. No, that's the one up there where that truck turned. Yeah, this is the neighborhood I wanted to check out. A lot of unique architecture, at least for this part of the world. Got the flat roofs and stuff. There's downtown. I don't know if you could see that. You see that? You see the city?
Yeah, no, that's sick, actually.
Yeah, all these houses got a sweet view. We might have to go back. Yeah, there's downtown. Dude, that's a sweet VW bus. I gotta go check out this bus. Look at that. Oh, the dude's got like a shop back there. Look at that bus. Sweet. Oh, those are hard. We could always go back if we're taking MLK back to the little skate park. Oh, yeah. Man, that breeze feels good. Hold up, dude, that's the tunnel. Let's go in that. What are we doing? Where's this gonna take us? Yeah, I don't have a light, dude. Oh, what is this, dude? It's like quicksand.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's gross. Look at it caked up on my tire. Yeah. No! I'm gonna try to stay right. There we go. Get past the water. Oh, this is oh, there are bats in here. Is that a bat? Alright, I gotta clean off my tire. Oh! It's shooting mud everywhere. Up that we go. I thought you were about to get a car wash. I don't know. Oh, garage sale. Hey, how you doing? This is what we have for sidewalks in America. Alright, got a fresh battery in the GoPro. Back on the road. We're gonna check out that little abandoned skate park we took a look at a couple videos. Oh, that's glass. That's not good. Because it's right up the road here. Yeah. Ugh. This is some sketchy sidewalk. What? What is this sidewalk, dude?
I have no idea. There it is, right?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, they don't have the little oh, there's one in the next one. There we go. That's what we need. I'm cleaning my fender.
Get the hell out of here.
You want your? You don't have a fender.
I gotta get the angles for you.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, squeegee it. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Dude, the thing's looking mint.
Never seen a cleaner razor in my life.
Dude. All right, let's hit that thing. All right. Once again, we are at the Bando little skate park. Surprised there's never anybody here. This is a pretty cool spot. Oh, there's someone here. One bedroom apartment, open floor plan. Look at this.
Super open floor plan, free murals.
Plenty of natural light. Dude, this place is great. It's saying 14.6 miles.
Well, yeah, I got literally having 14.7.
Oh, okay, nice.
That thing must be pretty accurate.
Calibrated the same, yeah. Where is this dude going? Well, I think that's going to be about it for this ride. We've done 15.8 miles, which is about as far as I want to go on one of these rides. That's the point where you start getting tired. Obviously, still have plenty of battery. We're at 74.3 volts, so we haven't even used half the battery. But yeah, super happy with the Surron seat. Obviously, the 3D printed mount is not super strong. We have developed some cracks, but I'm heavy and we've been riding it hard, so I'm not exactly surprised. Super happy with how this bike's riding. It's at the point where it's reliable enough to where I can start tearing into the Burrow Max, doing some mods to that bike, because I know I have this that I can ride in the meantime. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.